Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by connecting the USB drive to the host and confirming the device is unlocked and mounted. This avoids permission errors. Once connected, open File Explorer or Finder so you can see source and destination folders side by side. Make sure you use the correct USB port, USB 3.0 for faster rates, and choose a direct cable rather than a low-quality hub. If the drive prompts to format, do not format yet. First, check file system compatibility and back up important files. Now begin the actual transfer by choosing copy and paste if you want to keep originals, or cut and paste to move them. Once done, monitor the transfer progress bar and watch for errors. If you expect interruptions, use a tool that supports resume or create checksums to verify integrity. For many files, compress into one archive to reduce overhead and speed up the operation. Make sure to prioritize larger sequential writes for performance. Copying thousands of small files is slower than one big file. To finish, verify file sizes and open a few transferred files to confirm integrity, then use the operating system's eject function before unplugging. If something goes wrong, first do not force remove the drive. Reconnect and inspect logs or error messages. If transfers stop, swap cables, try another port, and confirm the host's USB drivers are current. Remember file system limits. FAT32 won't accept files over 4 GB, so reformat to XFAT or NTFS if needed, or split large files and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.